Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
I'm James Spann. This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video for Thursday, the 19th of May. And yes, it is a little warmer today. Most spots are sitting around 80, and we're talking summer-like weather by the time the weekend gets here. In fact, even tomorrow. We'll check some of the Skycam shots around the network. First off, from downtown Fayette, Alabama. Bright, sunny, and warm there. Temperatures in West Alabama in the low 80s. Up the road, that's the Hamilton Skycam at Hamilton High School in Marion County. And way down south, the waters of the Gulf of Mexico at Gulf Shores. Yeah, the Hangout Music Festival is this weekend. There'll be thousands down there. Stages are all set up, and the weather looks ideal. No rain down there through early next week. All right, the big block is beginning to break down ever slowly. We've still got the upper low to the west and to the east, ridging in between, but the ridging is taking over here, and, yep, it's warmer. 81 in Tuscaloosa, 80 in Birmingham at 2 o'clock. Still 70s to the east, the cool spot, Gadsden at 75. And around the nation, you can see that warmer air moving up from the south with 70s and 80s all across the southern states. Pretty cold out in the west, though. Look at the mountains of Colorado and Wyoming. Temperatures only in the 30s and low 40s out there at mid-afternoon here in late May. Convectively active weather. Starting to see some severe weather boxes. First off, up in the northeast. One includes Philadelphia and parts of the New York City metro area. And out west, we've got tornado watch boxes in effect for the southern plains. And there's the southernmost watch, a tornado watch until 8 o'clock tonight. From north of Abilene up to the Kansas-Oklahoma state line. Storms developing out there. We'll keep an eye on that. But again, we stress no severe weather problems expected here for the next 5 days. Convective outlook for the rest of today and tonight. Got a slight risk up in the northeast from Chesapeake Bay up to near Cooperstown, New York. And out west, a risk of severe weather from West Texas and the Concho Valley up into Kansas and southern Nebraska. Tomorrow, the southern plains will be active convectively. And again, all the way from south central Texas up through Oklahoma, Kansas, Nebraska. Some of the cities in that would include Austin, Dallas-Fort Worth, Wichita Falls, Oklahoma City, Tulsa, Kansas City, Wichita, and Omaha. And day 3, which is Saturday, got a risk of severe weather from eastern Texas up to near Chicago and Des Moines. That includes Little Rock and Memphis. But again, for the weekend, we don't expect any issues here. Rain for the next 5 days. Most of Alabama with nothing. This is valid through Tuesday morning at 7 o'clock. A little sliver of light precipitation over the Tennessee Valley, but clearly the big rains stay over the nation's midsection. Here's the 12Z GFS at 1 o'clock tomorrow at 500 millibars. Ridging building up across the deep south, and down below that, sunny and pretty warm. We're talking upper 80s. Both the GFS and the NAM are showing 87. Saturday, GFS is at 92. It's been running a little too warm lately. We think the high somewhere 87 to 90. And again, the active convection stays well off to the west. Sunday, some hint, maybe some thunderstorms over Tennessee. And I guess you might mention a slight chance of a shower for the Tennessee Valley. But again, most of Alabama should be dry and very warm with readings around 90. Monday, flat ridge in place, new trough out west. And down below that, same thing, dry and very warm, upper 80s to near 90. I think we'll be between 87 and 90 really tomorrow all the way through about Tuesday of next week. In fact, there's Tuesday. You might mention a slight chance of a shower, but no big deal. Pretty strong cold front up to the north. Very cold air over Canada, but have a hard time getting down in here for sure. Wednesday of next week, watching that Vortex over the southern plains, and down below that, there could be some active convection just west of here. And Thursday, this run has that short wave pulling northeast away from us, and the line of storms is exiting the state at midday. So this run suggesting the main round of showers and storms could be Wednesday night or Thursday morning. And it will change again. We just don't know the timing yet, but I think that clearly that's going to be the next organized rain event, and there could be some risk of strong to severe storms. And Friday of next week, most of the active weather off to the east. We'll check the end of the forecast on June 4th, 4 days into meteorological summer. And that looks like June. Winds aloft are light and variable. The primary jet stream is up north. Very warm, very muggy, and a few hit and miss splash and dash showers. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening. ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Never witnessed anything like this, and I hope we never do again.
People are coming in to help them. That's what Alabama's all about. It's almost as if a bomb went off.
My baby's alive. My husband's alive. We made it.
I'm demolished. I don't have nothing. Just chaos, really.
It's just a nightmare that I know that I cannot wake up from.
God can do with it as He will.